Everyone, Bass Junkie here. Just so you know, the name change is still coming. Trying to make a decision, but today I'm fishing before work. It's Thursday. It's kind of rainy. It's stormy here and there, but I'm gonna go to the marina at the Willamette in Wilsonville and try to drop shot and Ned rig for some smallies. The water levels are, I don't know, I gotta check NOAA on that, but the clarity is good. I don't know how fast it's running, but we're gonna try to get on it. Fishing off the main dock is a no-go apparently. A bunch of people ruin that for us anglers. There goes nothing in this badass current we got going on. That's something. Little baby smallmouth. I know he's small, but this is my first smallmouth of the year, and oh man, I'm excited for that. Just a little guy, but here we go. No, I didn't.
Over in the brush anywhere, run down here like in the last hour or so?
No, I got here probably 15 minutes ago.
We had a stolen car dumped there and the guy took off, so... He's probably out here on that side. I just want to make sure.
In the water, though?
Huh?
In the water?
Well, we don't know. The guys get stupid, so, you know, I'm sure you would have called if you would have...
Yeah, for sure. Nope, didn't see anything.
Okay.
Is he armed or anything?
Don't know.
Oh, wow.
Stole the truck, almost ran over a deputy, so...
Oh, that's not good. Had a bite. There he is. Oh, it came off. Suck though. As soon as I shortened that drop shot leader, there it was. I think this bait might be too much. Yeah, look, you can see where he bit it. Gotta get that lower. There it is. He's on. Feels like a better one too. Largemouth. Yeah. Pig too. Oh. That's a pig. Thank you, Willamette River. I love that drop shot. Yeah, that's a strong fish. I'm gonna go ahead and let this girl go. That was pretty awesome. As soon as I shortened that drop shot leader, she came. Here we go. I just missed a big bite on the drop shot, and they got hung up in these huge boulders, and I was forced to break it off. But I'm back in with something lighter. See if I can't pick it back up. Thank you, Oregon. We love you long time. There it is. Come on, baby. Get out of there. Don't break me off. Thank you. A little smallie. Are you what I felt earlier? You're bigger. Big mama down there. take it. Still little. Not too bad. Finishing up out here at the marina in Wilsonville. I did better than I thought I would, considering the temps, all the rain, the water height. The clarity is looking pretty good. And I caught 2 smallies, my first one of the year, which is really nice, and a really nice largemouth. So that's encouraging. I think I'm gonna come out here a little more and definitely start fishing the river. I got quite a few spots I want to fish, and it's gonna be on. Unfortunately, I gotta go to work now, so stay tuned.